Clean energy does not emit carbon dioxide, which is a main cause of global warming. And atomic energy is also that clean energy, which used to be solely utilized as a source of energy. But it is now being applied to numerous high-tech applications like medical services, farming, and the development of new materials, thereby contributing to economic growth and enhancing the quality of our lives. Emerging from the land of the morning calm to one of the world's top economic powers in a few decades, Korea is one of the leading nations that has effectively utilized and promoted atomic energy technology for its national development. Atomic technology is a driving force of a nation's growth and ensures health, happiness, and prosperity for people. Advanced Radiation Technology Institute of Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. It's the world's top radiation research institute and creates value by integrating the unique properties of radiation with state-of-the-art technology. Cargo scanners using radiation are used at seaports to combat smuggling and find hidden explosives and weapons in case of terror. As a trailer with containers passes through scanner, we can easily look into a container using radiation to check if there isn't any smuggled goods or explosives. The Advanced Radiation Technology Institute, RT, has successfully developed a NDT, non-destructive testing technology, a core technology of a container inspection system with the government support of 4.3 billion Korean won, and realized the domestic production and commercialization of container inspection system. The newly developed container inspection system can distinguish organic and inorganic matter by using a dual energy X-ray, and this high-frequency electron accelerator technology paves the way for numerous applications such as cancer treatment and security inspection. The development of new varieties using radiation breeding technology opens a bright future by solving the global food crisis. Radiation breeding is a technology to create a new variety by irradiating plants or seeds to produce useful gene mutation. Radiation breeding research team of the Advanced Radiation Technology Institute has produced new varieties of crops and flowers. This is Toko홍미, a new variety created by exposing the extracted seed embryo to gamma rays. Component analysis revealed that Toko홍미 contains more nutritional value than general rice. Toko홍미 prevents adult diseases and is used for making processed foods, cosmetics, and other bio-industrial applications. New varieties developed by radiation breeding technology help farmers earn more profits. The Advanced Radiation Technology Institute developed a polymer material for artificial blood vessels using radiation. Its antithrombotic function is more efficient by 70% than artificial blood vessels developed by other research institutions, and its burst pressure is excellent at 3,800 mmHg. It was shown that during animal experimentation, the transplanted material was swiftly regenerated into a new blood vessel. This is Toko홍미, a new variety developed by the Advanced Radiation Technology Institute of the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. An ingredient analysis showed that the new breed contains 58% more anti-aging tocopherol and 4 times more anthocyanin than the original variety. As such, radiation technology creates new inventions and changes our lives. Propolis is a resinous mixture that honeybees produce by mixing saliva and beeswax with exudate gathered from tree buds, sepflows, or other botanical sources, and has rich nutrients such as flavonoids, minerals, and vitamin. Propolis, a next-generation functional natural material with excellent antibacterial and antioxidant effects, offers wide-ranging commercial applications such as for health foods, cosmetics, and medicine. Propolis, spun off of the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, is the only company in the world that has developed a technology throughout radiation for making water-soluble, alcohol-free propolis extract that maintains excellent health benefits. Propolis consists of various compounds. It was a technological challenge to extract insoluble ingredients while maintaining more of the desired beneficial components. In contrast to other extraction methods, weep technology allows propolis to extract components like flavonoids, fat-soluble vitamin, minerals, and polysaccharides, and enables the end propolis product to be water-soluble. Rather than only being used for oil-based products, the weep technology widens the use for propolis in health foods, beverages, toiletries, and cosmetics products. Propolis has developed various products using water-soluble propolis extracts and has many patents to protect its innovations. Propolis were awarded a gold medal at the 2015 International Apicultural Congress for the development of their water-soluble propolis and recently awarded the Korean World Class Product Award 2016 by the Ministry of Trade, Industry, and Energy. The use of radiation has increased across industries beyond nuclear power plants, and thus, demand for radiation detection and measurement as well as safety from radiation has also risen. The radiation measurement and surveillance technology of SI detection has addressed the radiation safety needs of various institutions worldwide for decades, based on reliable high-tech electronic engineering technologies acquired in the course of developing satellites. In particular, SI detection is focused on the design, manufacturing, sales, and service of products to detect radiation emissions at airports, seaports, and hospitals, as well as nuclear power plants. The company's installation equipment, EFRD 3300, EFRD 2100, EFRD 1100, is used to measure radiation dose rates at fixed locations or at mobile stations. This equipment continuously measures the spatial distribution of ambient gamma rays in a certain area, supports remote monitoring and early warning systems, and measures the contribution of artificial nuclides and their radioactivity, which causes variation of dose rate through its reliable gamma spectrometric technology. The EFRD series is products that constantly monitor radiation safety levels at specific environment or facilities. And the Rad XP series is equipment that can promptly measure contamination levels, provide GIS-based contamination control map during radiation emergencies using backpacks, vehicles, drones, or aircraft. Equipment that are mountable on backpacks, vehicles, drones, and aircraft, as well as for underwater radiation detection, are employed as an important instrument in the disaster response systems by domestic research institutes including the Korea Atomic Energy Institute, Busan Metropolitan City, other local governments, Thailand, and Malaysia. For effective disaster response, close coordination between a central control center and the site of disaster is essential. The u-RaMon solution, an integrated real-time control system that connects large numbers of on-site radiation detectors, supports on-site analysis of trajectories of radiation, weather, and moving devices, performs radiation contour mapping, and helps one make decisions to take resident protection measures through data sharing implied by internet connection. SI Detection's radiation equipment is operated at over 200 locations in Korea, including the Integrated Environmental Radiation Monitoring Network, and is exported to foreign countries, including China, Thailand, Singapore, the Philippines, Malaysia, and Qatar, for radiation surveillance of atomic power plants and monitoring of nuclear activities of neighboring countries. Atomic energy, if used properly, provides a great aid to humans. As people live longer these days, the incidence of incurable diseases such as cancer and dementia is rising, and thus, demand for radiation medicine to diagnose and treat these diseases is also on the increase. A frontrunner of radiation medicine in Korea, the Korea Institute of Radiological and Medical Sciences. Medical application of cyclotrons leads to a radioactive isotope that is essential for the PET, position emission tomography test that diagnoses incurable diseases such as cancer and dementia. In 1986, the Curems introduced the first cyclotron in Korea and succeeded in producing the radioisotope itself. After much effort, Curems developed the 13-MeV cyclotron, Curems 13 in 2002, and the mid-sized cyclotron, Curems 30 in 2008, to realize the localization of medical cyclotron in Korea. Based on this success, the regional cyclotron center have been designated and operated across the nation. In particular, the Curems 13 cyclotron was exported to Vietnam in 2007, and Curems is currently in negotiation talk with Malaysia, Kuwait, and Indonesia for exporting Curems 30 cyclotron and technology transfer. Radiopharmaceuticals, a focus of attention in the high-tech medical services, are produced by attaching positron-emitting radioisotope to disease-specific molecules in human. The Korea Institute of Radiological and Medical Sciences became the first institute in the world to develop a convergence radiopharmaceutical that can diagnose and treat esophageal cancer using immuno-PET and radioimmunotherapy. Using the radiopharmaceutical, the size of a tumor may decrease by more than 61.5% compared to conventional antibody immunotherapy, demonstrating its excellent effect in controlling tumor growth. Radioimmunotherapy is emerging as a next-generation cancer treatment therapy. Center for Hematologic Malignancy of the Korea Cancer Central Hospital is the only domestic institute to produce iodine-131 rituximab, a radioimmunotherapeutic agent that combines an antibody that attacks only cancer cells with iodine or radioisotope. In clinical tests, the new drug was proved to be 3 times more effective than conventional treatments.
Korea has achieved a world-class R&D outcome through the cultivation of radiation fusion technology. By developing and applying new technologies based on radiation fusion technology to create high value-added products, we can create jobs, grow businesses, and invigorate the national economy. Radiation fusion technology promises a clean environment, healthy lives, and a bright future for all of us.